This is Hadi Lichaa presenting the role of angulated microcatheters in coronary bifurcation interventions. I have no conflict of interest pertinent to this talk. This is a case of a Medina class 111 LAD diagonal bifurcation lesion, which we picked a reverse culotte given the size and the caliber and the severity of the branch disease. As you see here, a 90-degree angulated microcatheter is advanced over a workhorse wire into the main branch. Then after the workhorse wire is pulled back, the microcatheter is maneuvered into the ostium of the branch, and then a polymer jacketed wire is used to cross the lesion. The microcatheter is advanced over this wire, then exchanged for a workhorse wire. Predilation is performed, then intravascular ultrasound is done in both limbs. Then stenting is started into the branch vessel given the difficulty in the angle and the projected difficulty in advancing the stent through another stent. So this is followed by a pot, then by recrossing and another stent from the main branch into the mother vessel. Then the wire of the side branch is removed, and this side branch is rewired through the two stent layers. As you can see here, we usually pick a workhorse wire so that we don't end up under a stent strut. It's important to get into the main branch, then pull the wire back and try to get through the stent struts. This is sequential balloon inflation at high pressure, then simultaneous kissing inflation followed by proximal optimization technique. To illustrate the different steps of the culotte or reverse culotte technique, the best visual app for that is Bifurcate 3D by Dr. Kinney and team at Mount Sinai, New York. In this graphic, you see that both the main branch and the side branch are pre-dilated initially. The sequence of predilation doesn't matter as long as both of them are done one-to-one, and if the lesions are calcified, obviously appropriate expansion with non-compliant balloons or specialty balloons is recommended. Then the side branch is stented first with a diameter appropriate for the side branch vessel. Then an angiogram is taken, distal dissection is ruled out, then the main branch is rewired through the main branch, and the lesion is pre-dilated and then stented, as you see above. So now at this point, it's important to rewire through the stent struts after a proximal optimization technique. Then two balloons are placed in the main branch and side branch and inflated simultaneously for kissing balloon inflation. A lot of data is accumulating on the importance of proximal optimization technique at the end after final kissing balloon inflation.